Hello guys! Welcome to the garden again. Ayan. Nandito na naman tayo sa garden at manguha na naman ng gulay. Yun. So, ayan. Yung patatas. Yung patatas dito ay malapit nang i-harvest. Oh, this one. Nahulog. The tomato have
Flower?
yeah.
Oh, lovely.
May bulaklak na yung kamatis. Ayan, ito yung malaking dati. Para siyang, sabi nga ni lechugas daw. Ayan, so mayroon dito isang ayan, ito. Ayan, malaking the potato is no, it's not potato. I don't know what's this.
It's ready.
I think it's turnip.
That's it.
Yeah, here. See? Yeah, ayan, dalawang turnips. Ayan. Meron pa, ito.
Yeah, I keep finding tomato plants
Yes.
everywhere.
Tsaka isa ito puti. Ayan. Oh, dalawa. Naging dalawa. There's two more. And then the beetroot is here.
Oh,
Ayan, may beetroot. Yan, isang turnip. Ayan. We can have that for the salad. Tapos, ito muna ang kuhanin ko. Yung, what is it?
cucumber.
Cucumber.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Some, I plant some in
Oh,
silence
they
last
already
week.
have the flowers, the zucchini.
Yeah,
Oh.
and it's magnesium because
And this?
yellow leaves.
I'm scared to eat this. Maybe it's
Why?
the poison one.
No, it's dill.
Are you sure?
I planted last year.
Are you sure? So we can have this for
Yeah, I
the
planted here
salad.
last year, dill.
Okay.
And this is coriander, isn't it? Big one.
Oh yeah. Did you plant that as well?
No, not this year. I did last year.
So why from last year?
Yeah.
So you eat this first, yeah?
Yeah.
And then I followed you.
Doesn't it smell, dill? Doesn't
Um
it smell?
yeah, but there is some like this as well, yeah?
Mm.
Which is, do you know what I mean?
Poisonous.
Ayan. We can have one of these or this one first. Ayan. Dito muna.
Potatoes if you want, Brian.
Potatoes?
See how it is.
Okay. So, ayan guys.
One on the end so I can plant some tomatoes.
Yeah. I'm getting some salad for tomorrow, our lunch. Ayan, nanguha na kanina dito si Joe. Ayan. Manguha daw ako ng patatas, pero ito muna. Ayan. Masarap ito guys. Hindi na kami nakabili ng salad kasi ito ang dami dito. Ayan. There is some brambles in here.
Oh, yeah. Blackberries.
Yeah.
Take them out.
Can you do because I don't have a gloves. Ayan, daming dami niyang dahon. Ayan. Aray ko. Ayan na guys, marami akong nakuha. Diyan na muna kasi maliit lang yung
So the rhubarb kind of like
fridge
grape now,
namin. Yeah.
and spinach.
So, ito muna yung mga dahon. Ito. Kasi ang dadami na nila. Tsaka yung bulaklak kasi masarap ito guys. Ayan.
Swiss chard as well.
Yeah, you trim that one.
Next time.
Ayan. Ito masarap ito. Ayan. Tapos maraming insekto. Kaya yun. Ito kanina yung lunch namin. Ayan, nilagay sa salad. So, yan, ito muna. Tapos, manguha ako ng patatas dahil ready na raw. Yan. Yun. Ayan, puno. So, tingnan natin. Kukuha ako ng isang kuha muna ako nito ng sibuyas. Dahon ng sibuyas. Kasi sayang kasi guys eh. Ayan oh, sayang. Na ano lang siya. So, manguha ako ng dahon. Ayan. Kasi nasa sayang lang. So, I get some onion leaves. Hal. Oops. Ayan. Yun. So, maraming bulaklak pala rito, oh. Yan ang gaganda. Yan. Masarap to, guys. Para siyang maanghang. Anghang. Ayan. Masarap yan. So, I try. Ayun, oh, yung poppy. I try to get one. Just Joe? 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 Hindi niya ako marinig. Joe! I get one potatoes, yeah, in this side by the chard. This one. Okay. Ayan, dito daw. Ayan, ito. The one here, like the yellow one. Tingnan natin to guys. Kung may laman na. Oh, yeah, have green. Ayan.
Green potatoes.
Mm.
Green ones.
So you can plant this again.
Yeah.
Ayan, may maliit. This
There weren't
tiny.
so many because because of my back, I couldn't earth them up. There's a lot. I've already found.
Ayan. Ayun, oh. Ayan. Ay, dito lang siya, oh. Sa labas lang sila pala, oh. Ayan, oh. Ang dami. Ayan. Maraming patatas. Ayan natin. Uy, ang daming patatas. Ayan. Can you take this with you because I got nothing to
Sorry?
I don't have the basket. Ayan. Oh, it's not much.
Yeah, because I can earth them up, but I guess my back. It's good to keep adding more earth and then you get more.
Okay. You got some small potatoes. There. Like a new potato. Ayan. Dami. You think this is the right time to pick?
Yeah, middle of early to mid June for the early potatoes.
I think this is not the right time because it's still tiny. Look. They're
Yeah, but
small.
No, that's normal size. They're new potatoes, bun. They're first earlies.
Okay.
That's a good size.
Some of them are still like growing. I can.
Yeah, but they're always like that. You always get.
Is it? So can you get some?
Basket.
Yeah.
I've got a watering can.
Yeah. Can you put that? And then maybe one down here.
Huh? So do the same size so I can plant all together.
Okay. Same side down. But I think this side is not. It's not ready. Maliit pa. Ayan. Yan. Yung iba maliit pa. Ayan. May malaki. Ayan ah. Ayan. Can you just pick them up in here? Ayan. Yun yung patatas. New potato. Tatlong puno. Ayan. Sa susunod na naman yung iba kasi parang hindi pa yata ready. Ayan o, ito
Make it tidy.
kasi lumalabas sila. Ayan, ang dami oh. Wow, so much here. It's not covered, that's why.
Oh.
You have to cover them.
No, I told you I couldn't give my bath.
Oh. So I just cover them, yeah? So that it go white. Ayan, masakit daw lang yung likod niya noon kasi naano yung likod niya kaya ay, gulay ko. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Ayan, lumalabas. Ang dami, lumalabas. So, tatakpan ko siya. Ayan. Kasi nung tinanim niya ito, masakit daw yung likod niya. Kaya hindi niya matabu-tabunan. Kaya lumalabas yung mga patatas. Ayan. Ayan. Yan na natin dito. Ayan, kasi nakalabas, nakausli. Ay, yung mga patatas. Yeah. Ayan, dito na naman tayo sa spinach. Tonight, ito, dinner for tonight. Ayan. Lalagyan ko ng
So these ones, the bugs love.
mushroom.
The bugs
Yeah, you have to,
spray them with washing up liquid.
yeah. Ayan.
They don't seem to like the spinach much, the bugs. So they love those four
Yeah.
beans.
This one for dinner tonight with mushroom.
Oh, there's new beans coming now, then, yeah.
Huh.
These are planted.
Oh, yeah. That's the beans.
Yeah.
Ayan, marami. Marami, mas masarap.
String beans.
Ayan yung beans. Ayan daw. Ay, nako. Masakit sa likod. Ayan. So, ito.
Yeah, strawberries coming now.
Yeah. Ay. Dali. Ay. So, ito na guys, yung dinner namin.
Potatoes.
No, I cannot. Can you put in your stuff? Yeah, in there. Give that to me. I put it. Wala kasi kaming dala. Hindi ko alam kung maano. Mag-harvest kami ngayon ng patatas. So, ayan na lang. We can have this tonight actually.
Yeah, with the place.
Yeah, ito na lang yung ulam, anuhin namin, kakainin. Mamaya.
Well, the carrots getting big now as well.
Ayan. Ayan, marami.
And this one is weed, isn't it?
Which one? Hang on. Yan, tabunan na lang yung iba pa kasi sayang. Yan. Right. Which one? Uy! Yeah, I think I saw there's a blogger. They eat those.
Or is it?
Yeah,
Well, there's a massive thing in there, isn't it?
I'm not too sure.
Yeah.
Oh, can you cover on that side?
Which side?
Ah, anyway, yeah, that's stinging. That one is. Be careful with that.
Gloves.
Tomorrow, pick it up tomorrow. So, shall we? Can you carry the basket? I carry the potatoes.
Yeah.
Alright, okay guys, uwi na. Ayan, aray ko.
Oh, that's a really painful one.
Ayan. Yeah, I told you not to do it. Alright, let's go. Ayan, kasi mag alas 7 na. Hindi pa ako nakaluto. Ayan. Ayan. You get the basket.
Yeah.
It's here.
Yeah, I'm just checking I didn't leave any.
Oh no, make sure it's closed, the rabbit. Yeah, let's go guys.